So RaceRoom, on the 4th of December, they released this new pack. It is DTM 2002. I do not know much about DTM, but I've been trying different DTM cars and it is super fun to drive. In this pack you get an Audi TT, Opel Astra, which is awesome. I mean, it's a Vauxhall, an Opel. You don't get many sims where you can drive an Opel and it actually looks sick. And an AMG CLK. So I'm going to do a bit of test driving in all three of them. Just to see what they sound like, really, and then we can compare the car sounds, because one thing this game is really good at is car sounds. What I did notice in watching that video is the cars have sequential shifters and a round wheel. I can't see if it's a round wheel or more C-shaped wheel. I'm going to go with round, or like a butterfly wheel. What it's not is a formula wheel, so I'll get rid of the formula wheel, get the round wheel on, and then we just do a couple of laps with each car. Do a little comparison of engines. I want to buy one. Maybe I'll buy the whole pack. But first, let's see what they sound like. Got the shifter. Let's do it. That is a fun car. That was awesome. That was awesome. All three cars are super fun to drive. But it was a standout. A surprise for me, a surprising standout. There was one that I couldn't help but smile after driving it. And once I'm done, I'm just going to go drive it some more because it was so much fun. It sounds that all three sound really, really good. The one that I liked the most was the Mercedes. And that was the one I was looking least forward to driving, which is crazy. Oh, wow. It sounds good. It feels really nice to drive as well. Once the tires get a bit of heat in them, it was a really, really fun car to drive. But all three were good. And I want to drive all three at various points. So I'm actually going to buy it. And then we'll see you on track. I bought it. It is so much fun.